So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a really amazing day because today we're gonna unbox this almost 11 years old NIB Pisces Beyblade, and specifically this is Pisces DF145 BS Beyblade. And if I am not wrong, this was only released in Japan in year 2010. So this is almost 11 years. So it is a 11 years old Beyblade. I got it somehow. So this is really exciting. We're gonna unbox a 11-year-old Beyblade. So guys, let's get straight into the action. So let me open the box. तो देखते हैं box में क्या क्या है. And obviously we got here Pisces metal ring or fusion wheel, whatever you wanna call it, and the face ball. We got the spin track, tape, and obviously the stickers and the tool. So let me open it all and we're gonna take a look what's inside. Look at this. It's really a piece of beauty, guys. It's pretty heavy. So it's a stamina type bay. And the cool thing is this is printed. It's not a sticker. So there is no need to apply these stickers on here. I'll keep it as it is. So it's gonna go like this. Now let's unbox the remaining things. So we got the spin track and the tip. So this is pretty much all the stuff we got into the box. So we got Pisces wheel and Pisces face bowl. Then we got DF145 spin track and BS performance tip, a tool, instruction manual, and the stickers. So I'm not sure if I should apply the stickers, so I'm gonna leave it as it is for now. So let's assemble the bay and let's see how it looks. Looks pretty good, I would say. I am still not sure if I should apply the stickers or not because it looks pretty sick. So guys, we just unboxed a pretty much 11-year-old Beyblade. So let me know how it looks. So we're gonna do a test battle. So it is my first new metal series Beyblade, and these used metal Beyblades I bought few days back. So let me bring out the stadium, and then I'm gonna put the Pisces up against the pre-hybrid Pegasus, and they both are pre-hybrid Beyblades, so it's gonna be an amazing fight. So let's get straight into the action. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now Pegasus. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, Pegasus is delivering really heavy blows. Oh my god, Pegasus has won. So let's give it another shot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So guys, I'm not sure, but I think Pisces is a bit lighter than Pegasus. I'm not sure, that's my guess. You should tell yours. That's why it is taking a lot of hits from Pegasus, and that's why it's losing balance, I suppose. But from the looks of it, I think this time it's gonna win. It's standing tall, Pisces is standing tall, and it's still spinning, and guys, finally Pisces has won. So these two bays are pretty comparable, I would say. They both are pretty good bay. So every time if I battle both of these, I cannot say who's gonna win. So we can have as many as battle we want, but we won't have a clear decision between these two. So let's keep the Pegasus aside for a while. And now we're gonna do a battle between the two stamina type. So I already know the Sagittario has a really great stamina, so I'm gonna launch this guy first. So here goes Sagittario. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Both are looking good. I'm not sure in which way the battle's gonna go in this case. But I think Sagittario is gonna win because things are not looking good for Pisces here. and our Pisces has lost. So guys, our Sagittarius has won. So this burn Sagittarius is a pretty powerful bay, and it is actually my favorite bay here. So guys, with this I'm gonna wrap this video. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.